just missed it. I just lost my hat. I lost everything out here. I think it's actually gotten worse since we last saw you a half hour ago. It seems like it is gusting even more. It is raining more. You can see the wind is just carrying the sand along the beach here. It kind of makes it hard to see down the coastline. You can see though that there is nobody out here, and the police chief says that is a good thing. Stay home if you can. We did check in with police and fire earlier this morning. They said that they had a couple calls this morning for downed wires, wanting to remind people that you should not interact with those wires. If you see them, you should assume that they're live and call 911 so it can be handled properly. They say right now they are monitoring for any possible wind-related damages, because that's definitely the big thing on the coast right now, and saying that you should tie down anything you have in your yard if possible. Seeing that garbage cans have been ending up in roadways. They said Christmas decorations have been getting blown down too. And they are also monitoring for any possible flooding, but said that's going to be a bigger concern later this afternoon when high tide hits. That's going to be just after 3 o'clock. But they said luckily they're not expecting any major flooding like we saw around this time last year. But those low-lying areas of Hampton Beach that are prone to flooding may see some today. As we were driving, we saw, they had some signs already ready to go in case they had to close the roads down. But of course, we'll keep you updated with the conditions here on the coast. Live at Hampton Beach, Kelly O'Brien, WMUR News 9.